Welcome to Window Cleaning Resource. My name is Steve, I'm the window cleaner, one of the sales reps here at windowcleaner.com. Today we are talking all about the new Wagtail Power Pivot Flipper. This is a new tool from Wagtail. It has a much more highly absorbent pad on it, a lot thicker than what we're used to, and also has this strip here to help with glide on the glass. So what I'm just gonna do is show you in action on the glass. You just scrub with it like this on the glass and then release it and squeegee, but let's just check it out in action on the windows. Okay, sorry.
That was masterful.
Oh, thank you.